Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
They walk to school.
They walk to school.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
He reads a book.
He reads a book.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
They eat breakfast.
They eat breakfast.
We play in the park.
We play in the park.
She cleans the kitchen.
She cleans the kitchen.
I write a note.
I write a note.
She calls her friend.
She calls her friend.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
They sing a song.
They sing a song.
He drives the car.
He drives the car.
He eats a sandwich.
He eats a sandwich.
I open the door.
I open the door.
We watch a movie.
We watch a movie.
They listen to music.
They listen to music.
She closes the window.
She closes the window.
He ties his shoelaces.
He ties his shoelaces.
She waters the garden.
She waters the garden.
They clean the house.
They clean the house.
He turns on the light.
He turns on the light.
He sweeps the floor.
He sweeps the floor.
She brushes her hair.
She brushes her hair.
I charge my phone.
I charge my phone.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
She shops for clothes.
She shops for clothes.
I play with the dog.
I play with the dog.
He paints the fence.
He paints the fence.
She bakes a cake.
She bakes a cake.
They eat pizza.
They eat pizza.
We walk to the market.
We walk to the market.
He writes a story.
He writes a story.
I dust the table.
I dust the table.
He plays the piano.
He plays the piano.
She hugs her dad.
She hugs her dad.
We catch the bus.
We catch the bus.
She opens the fridge.
She opens the fridge.
They buy vegetables.
They buy vegetables.
He takes a nap.
He takes a nap.
I eat a banana.
I eat a banana.
He watches the news.
He watches the news.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
She wears a dress.
She wears a dress.
I wipe the counter.
I wipe the counter.
We plant a tree.
We plant a tree.
She boils the eggs.
She boils the eggs.
He washes the plates.
He washes the plates.
I sweep the balcony.
I sweep the balcony.
We jump on the bed.
We jump on the bed.
They climb the stairs.
They climb the stairs.
She plays a game.
She plays a game.
He catches the ball.
He catches a ball.
They laugh at a joke.
They laugh at a joke.
She opens the book.
She opens a book.
I hold the umbrella.
I hold the umbrella. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.